Happy Friday, Bear Bull traders. Today was really interesting. We had a couple of big moves. Intel and Twitter were really good trades, and YUMC as well. So I caught Twitter on the 5-minute opening range breakdown. I got a really good entry. It was on SSR. I managed to get filled. It was like 36.55. Sold off 40 cents. And then I didn't take any partial. I was trying to get to 36. Maybe a little bit of greed because 40 cents is a huge move. That's a 1% move on a stock like Twitter. And then it came back. It snapped back so fast. I'll show you guys here on the 1-minute chart. It was I don't know. Maybe I had weak hands. It was a normal pullback, but the way it happened in real life, in real time, it spooked me. It spooked me. I thought it was some sort of a reversal. It was going to come back to VWAP. Right? So I got out at break even, and it actually popped above that a little bit more. That was a shakeout, and then it decided to sell off, and I missed that whole run. I missed the entire run, like a $2 move if I had just held. So that had me really frustrated at the open. I was kind of getting a little bit of FOMO, and everyone else was catching Twitter, and I missed that whole thing, right? So what did I do? I revenge traded it. I tried to do a VWAP reversal, put in a bottom here. I got in long on the new 5-minute high. It was a scalp. I knew it wasn't going to be a substantial reversal because it's too early in the day, right? So got a little 20-cent pop, nothing crazy. Rest out at break even. And I kind of did the same thing on Intel. So Intel was a good opening range breakdown, 10-minute opening range breakdown. This was chop because what was happening, there was a daily moving average here. It's kind of deciding, finding support and figuring out what I wanted to do. But if you waited, patient, 10-minute orb, VWAP is right there as a good stop right here. And boom, you would have caught that flush. So really good trade. I tried to take it on another VWAP reversal here. Got in on the new 5-minute high, kind of stalled up and down, up and down, up and down. After a few minutes, I said, you know what, I'm getting the heck out of this thing because it's going to do a reverse ABCD, right? It popped 20 cents before it decided to do a reverse ABCD. So nothing, I didn't miss out on that big of a move. But at this point, I'd taken two small losers, and I was getting frustrated because I'd missed this thing here. I felt like I was going on tilt. And I just caught myself, did breathing exercises, and a few members in the chat, Paul S. and Adventure Dog LA, they said, Robert, keep your head on, cool, right? There's a lot of moves left on a day like today. So that's what I did. I kept cool. I just said to myself, reserve your ammo. It's not like you're in a big hole right now. Just don't do anything stupid. Catch one trade and you're done for the day, right? So I saw YUMC. YUMC was an awesome opening range breakdown. A few people in the chat were on board, Human and some other folks. I saw it putting in a bottom here, made a new 5-minute high. I didn't trust it though because it was really weak. This is a pretty big sell-off, right? Pretty big downtrend. I thought it was going to do reverse ABCD down to previous day close because prices are always attracted to that, right? But then I pulled up the 15 and I saw that it's bouncing off this moving average here. This is really strong support, so I'm going to go long. Put a little tight stop or something like this, and then I got in at 36.97. A new 15-minute high. It's kind of doing the booty reversal here too, right? Booty reversal breakout. And I caught a 60-cent pop. So that's really all it took to get to goal. Took most of it off at VWAP here. Still holding some. I got a range order in, so my stop is break even. And then I'm trying to get to 38 and change here. I don't know where I got that number, but I'm already at goal. It's not going to hurt me if I get stopped out. And if it decides to go, it's a nice little bonus just for fun, right? So yeah, that's my day. I actually want to show you guys something I didn't take here. Intel on the 15-minute chart was a beautiful, beautiful reversal. Look at this. I called this when I was on the mic. Double bottom on the 15, new 15-minute high, and just look at this clean move up here. This is big for Intel, 70 cents, right? Just a nice uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. No reason to really get out. Take a partial here maybe, and then the rest off when it fails to make a new high or new low. Just a sick move, clean move. Look at it on the 5-minute chart. It kind of gave you similar signals here. Nice bottom, new 5-minute high. Just a smooth U bottom reversal. Anyways, missed that. Hope some people caught that in the chat. So yeah, that's my day. Everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you in the chat on Monday. Thanks for watching.